Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video, we are going to see Databricks Utilities. So we are using magic commands, right? So why there is need for Databricks Utilities? So magic commands are based on the Databricks Utilities. The Databricks Utilities you can use in your Python code. So you can customize your codes as per your requirement. That is sometimes not possible with the Databricks magic commands. So let's see what are the Databricks utilities. So here are the Databricks utilities that are provided by Databricks. The first one is credential, data, jobs, FS, that is file system, library, meta, notebook, secrets, widgets, and preview. So these are all the utilities. Some are experimental, some are well-known utilities. So let's see how we can see the Databricks dbutils utilities. So in the second cell, let's see what are the utilities provided that by Databricks and I am right or not. So dbutils.help. You can use this method on the dbutils package and you can see there is a list of Databricks utilities. And here all the Databricks utilities I mentioned above are listed here. So credentials. Credential is a utility for interacting with credential within the Databricks. Then data utility, it is for understanding and interacting with the different types of data sets, and this utility is experimental. File system is the most popular utility that is used in almost all projects. It used to manipulate the Databricks file system. So you can use all the Linux type commands like fs, ls, yeah, then move, copy, remove, etc. etc. Then the jobs utility. This utility helps to leverage the jobs feature of the Databricks workflows and Databricks. Library utilities, it's a new utility that is provided by Databricks. It helps you to session a specific library. Then meta utility is a utility to look into the compilers, and this utility is in experimental phase right now. Then again the most important utility that is used by most of the project, that is the notebook utility. This utility basically provides two functions. The first one is the run and the second one is the execute. This is basically to run the child notebooks and multiple hierarchy of notebooks through your Databricks. After that, you can see there are other utilities like preview, secret, and widgets. So in the secret utilities, you can manage your secrets that are used like while mounting the file system or doing separate things like accessing the credentials or the secrets from your Azure Key Vault or any other key vaults as well. And widgets utility provides you the different widgets with the help of you can parameterize your notebooks with the help of text box, checkbox, combination box, etc. etc. So these are the utilities provided by Databricks. You can dive deep into the utility, such as I am going to show you like dbutils.fs.help. If you do this and run the cell, you can see it provides the documentation for the dbutils utility. Here you can see what the dbutils utility basically do, and here its description. And also you can use any specific method name like mount, unmount, etc. And you can get the idea of that utility. I will show you. Here I am going to use dbutils.fs.help and let's ask help about ls. So here it will listed the documentation. It lists the contents of a directory. It might be file folders or a combination of file folders hierarchy. And how you can do that? It's like display inside the that you have to provide the ls command, and this is shown here. So what are the values? What will be its return type? Those things are provided here. Field objects, and yeah, here you can do one thing, and that is you can provide the like wildcard characters to specifically access the specific files. Let's try to use that. So dbutils.fs.ls, and let's provide the path Databricks datasets, and let's run this. Now you can see it provides you the information that what are the all Databricks datasets that are available, and I can use display command for this, so it will be nicely formatted. Now you can see it is nicely formatted. So you have all the data sets like this COVID data set, then airline data set, and different data sets that is provided by Databricks. So you can practice. So in this way, you can use this Databricks utility. And in the file system utility, you have all the commands that you need to interact with the file system. That is CP. This is the copy, and here you need to provide the destination path of like source path and the destination path. So what way from where and to where you are going to copy. Then it also provide the head, ls, then make directory that will help you to create the directories in those specific file system, then move, put, and rm. And in some functions you have a extra parameter, that is the flag recursive flag like rm. So here you can see rm will access the two things, that is dir, that is the string or the path that what you want to remove, and then recursive flag, that is a boolean. So if you provide it true, then it recursively delete all the specific files and paths in that directory, and here it removes all the directory. You can see the description. So this is how the file system works, and I hope you can navigate to it and you can explore it in better way. So the next thing is notebook utility. Let's see what the notebook utility provides us. So dbutils.notebook.help. Let's run this. So here you can see the notebook module, and it provides two methods. The first one is exit method that will take a value as a string, and it won't return anything, that is void. And here you can see the description. The method lets you exit a notebook with a specific value that you provided. Then again another one is the run, and it takes the parameters like path, that is the string, that is the path of your child notebook, then timeout in seconds. So this is like how many this is the timeout that notebook will wait to run, and you can provide it. Then arguments. So arguments is basically the map method, or like it's a map values. So it will basically the parameters that you can provide to the another child notebook, and we will see this thing in next. So here I am going to, okay, so you can see I open my file system and I have one another notebook, that is the child notebook, and this is the child notebook. Okay, so I'm going to create some commands in my child notebook, and the first one is print hello database. Okay, now I'm not going to run this child notebook. Now let's come to our original notebook, and we are here. Yeah, so here let's try to use dbutils.notebook.run, and in the path you can provide dot slash. Here you can see it access that child notebook, so you can just provide this. Okay, yeah, and as it shows, you can see in the run method you need to provide the timeout in seconds. So let's see, I need 10 seconds. If the notebook run is not completed in 10 seconds, then it will throw a timeout errors, right? So this is the thing, and let's try to run this. So I'm running this, and now you can see it started on at this timestamp, and it is running the notebook. So here 12, 13, 14 seconds, it's taking time. Okay, yeah, now the end timestamp is populated and notebook link is populated, and you can see the success message. So once you click on this notebook, So you can see it will like you can go to that notebook and you can see the notebook is run. Let me go to that. Okay, I'm going to end timestamp, and it gives you the access to this job that is created. And here you can see hello Databricks, and this is our child notebook that is run. And it listed all the things like what job ID and all. We will go through all these things in the future. So I'm going to come in my workspace, and in the workspace here I am in like workspace users. This is my folder. So workspace learning folder, magic commands, users, and yeah, in Akshay Rathod, this is the user, that is I am. And here these are the two notebooks that we are working with, right? So this is our main notebook, you can see. Now we are here. So the next thing, that is the most important notebook, that is Databricks widget. So let's see what are the Databricks widget notebook provides us. dbutils.widgets.help, and run this. Now you can see Databricks widgets provides us the multiple methods, and here the description is it provides some widgets. Well, widgets like combo box, drop down, then some methods like get all, and get arguments. Then like multi, and here you can see the text is also provided. It's basically a text box, then remove all and remove. These are all the methods. Their parameters and what they return, they are listed in this. So I hope you can go through the documentation. So I will come to the main point and I will try one widget out of this, and let's try that. So let's use the dbutils.widgets.text. So I am going to use the last, that is the text. We have to provide a string to this notebook, a default value if you want to provide, and a label, you can see here. So the first is what is the name of this, right? So name is, I'm going to provide name as it is. Then default value should be nothing. I'm going to make this as empty default value, and label is enter your name. Okay, enter your name, right? So let's try to run this, and once I will run, you can see here there is one text box is created with the label that is enter your name, and its value or its key is name, right? So I will enter my name, Akshay. Yeah. But how I can access this Akshay in the notebook? And there the commands like get all, that works. So let's use dbutils.widgets.get. Now you need to provide the key to your widget, and in my case the key is name, right? And I will run this. So you can see the key is provided here. You can store this thing in any variables in Python, and you can use in your code while implementing some logic or some data engineering or data science things. So this is the one widget, and this is what a widget can do. You can create drop downs, then you can create like combination box, check boxes, etc., etc. Now here, let's see how we can pass parameters to the child notebook, right? So this is our notebook utility. You have saw like the dbutils.notebooks.run, and we have provided the notebook name, right? And we have provided timestamp. But we know we can provide the third, that is parameters, and that is the map object, right? So I will be here in my child notebook right now, and let's create some things, right? So here I will create dbutils.widgets.text, and let's access the text name Default value for this text is this, and enter your name. Enter your name, right? Then this is the completed, and let's run this. Okay, now I'm in child notebook, or I will change it as capital, so you no need to confuse with this. So you can see this is the widget for this specific child notebook, right? Now let's access that value, dbutils.widgets.get, and parameter is name, and let's print this. So I will store this thing in a variable that has the name as name, and let's print hello name. So it will print hello Akshay, right? So I have provided this. So I have created a sample code in our child notebook. So I will delete the first one that is with associated with the above or the main notebook, right? So now here we are in our parent notebooks or dbutils notebooks. You can see we are calling this notebook from here, right? So in that you need to provide extra parameter where you can provide the values in the form of objects, and here you have to provide the key, that is the widget name, and you have to provide the value. So Akshay, I'm providing Akshay, right? And once you do this, you can call this notebook. So okay, so I will go in the child notebook first, and let's like clean all or clear the output of the notebook. So clear the outputs, confirm. Okay, now all outputs are clear. Let's go to our Databricks utilities. Here in the notebook, I'm calling the notebook and I'm passing the parameter with the key as name and Akshay as the value. So let's run this. Now I'm running this, and you can see the notebook is running. It started as this timestamps. Now let's wait. Okay, and you can see the message is success and your notebook is run successfully at this timestamp. So let's click on the end timestamp, and here you can see. So hello Databricks, that is the output of the first cell, and here you can see default name and it created a widget, and after that you can see we have accessed the value of the widget, that is the name, and that is provided by the parent notebook, and that value was Akshay, and here you can see hello Akshay is there, right? So this is how you can like use the Databricks utilities in the Databricks, and I have provided you the like overview where you can explore yourself all what are other utilities and what are the things, such as you can access, like if you need to use the secrets utilities in future, then you can go and check what secret utility or secret DB utility is provides, right? So here attribute, so here secret, okay, home object is not attribute help. Oh, sorry, I have provided the wrong thing. I need to provide the help. So accept this and help. Now I will run this again, and you can see it provides you like get by like ties, and then list all secret and list scope of your secret. These are all methods are provided with the secret, and you can connect with your Azure Key Vault. So yeah, whenever we are going to create a mount points where you can connect your specific ADLS location to your Databricks DBFS file system, and you can access the file from that. So in that lecture we will see how you can use the secret utility as well. So for now, you can explore what are all other utilities and what are all their functionalities. I'm closing this video. This is all for this video. If you have any questions related to the Databricks utilities, then feel free to ask the questions in the comment section below. I will be there in the next video with some interesting topics on the Databricks. Please, till then, share, like, and subscribe, and encourage me to create the videos on the data engineering and data science. I will see you in the next lecture. Till then, happy coding.